Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Leanna if you're new, and today I'm going to be reviewing some products that Velour Beauty sent me. So just a little bit about the brand. Velour Beauty is most known for their luxury false lashes. They've released tons of new products this year, including the Lash and Go Adhesive and Eyeliner Hybrid.
This is the packaging it came in, super luxurious. This product is really special in that it's both eyeliner and lash glue, so it's kind of like magnetic eyeliner just without the magnets, which I like. So what you're supposed to do is put it on like eyeliner, and while it's wet you apply the lashes. I like that it's in a lip gloss tube because you know there's a lot of product, unlike a felt tip pen eyeliner that will only last a few weeks. I do like the applicator. It looks like a winged eyeliner would be really easy to do with it. So just a quick note, one thing that really threw me off in the beginning was how there seems to be some white stuff in the tube. I don't know if you can see super clearly, but that's just because of their unique marbled hybrid formula, so rest assured that that is normal. I swatched it on my hand and you can see it's a pretty nice black line. Not the blackest I've ever seen, but still more than satisfactory. They also sent me 4 pairs of lashes from their Effortless collection, and I do believe these are mink. I'm super excited about these, and they're so cute and tiny because they're pre-cut. And now I don't really understand the purpose of non-cut lashes because I've never seen anyone not have to cut their lashes, so why don't people just make the lashes pre-cut to begin with? But yeah, these are pre-cut, which I really appreciate. The packaging is gorgeous, and I will admit I had a bit of trouble opening the cases because they were kind of stuck, but I'm not sure if I just got some defective ones, but the lashes themselves are really nice. I've never really been one to collect a lot of different styles of lashes. Like, I'll just wear the same style of lashes for every makeup look, so I really like that they sent me some different styles to try out because different styles can give you so many different looks. My personal favorite out of these 4 is this pair called No Drama because of the little flare at the outer ends. I think that's super cute, and I'm going to be trying these on today. They also sent me these beautiful golden tweezers, which are really nice quality, and I really like how there's a little comb at the end, which you can use to brush out the lashes if they get tangled. I usually like to use my fingers to apply lashes because it gives me more control, so I'm not going to be using the tweezers in this video, but in case you like using tweezers for lash application, these are a very high quality pair.
So today I'm going to test this whole thing out and see if it's really as easy as they make it seem.
So I already have my eyeshadow done. I decided to go for a dramatic blue look today. The first thing I did was my liner with the Lash and Go. I honestly forgot that I was supposed to put on the lashes when they were wet, so I ended up just doing the liner and letting it dry. I noticed it dried pretty fast, so you gotta move a little faster than normal, and also probably do one eye at a time if you want to apply the lashes on the first go. But I figured I could do 2 layers of the liner just so I could take my time to wing it out. After the first layer is a good time to put on mascara. I usually like putting on mascara before false lashes because my natural lashes point downwards, so some mascara actually helps the fake lashes have a platform to sit on and prevents them from being droopy. I don't like putting on mascara after I put on the false lashes because then the mascara will get all over the lashes and it'll be harder to clean up to reuse, and I find that if I put on mascara before liner, then it's a little more difficult. So after I did the first layer plus the wing, I did a second layer just right on the lid, and while it was wet, I took the lashes and just plopped it right on. And let me tell you, I was actually really shook at how eager, for lack of a better word, the lash was to bond to the adhesive. It almost felt magnetic. The liner was a great glue, and I think this is a great alternative, especially if you don't like the stickiness of lash glue, and especially if you don't like waiting for the lash glue to get tacky. It really works. So I went ahead and did the same thing for the other eye, and that's it. That was really easy and also really beginner friendly. I really like these lashes and how natural they are. It almost looks like they could be my natural lashes.
So now that I've put them on, I'm going to update the description box with how they wear throughout the day in case you are curious. Also in the description box is a 15% off discount code in case you want to get anything for yourself. And that is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking